Hey, welcome back to the shack. Hey, right here. Quit looking around, all that stuff. I'm bringing you a quick video by the request of temporarily offline Steve KM9G. One of his viewers contacted him on how does that BenQ treVolo voice clarity speaker that me and him both have done a video on, how does that perform on CW? That was a good question because I didn't think about it. It's a voice clarity speaker, so tonal stuff did not cross my mind. It got me interested and obviously got Steve interested, but he had already passed his speaker along to someone else. He reached out to me and said, could you still maybe try that out since you still have your speaker? And I said, absolutely. Let's see what it looks like. So enough of my rambling. Let's get right into it. All right, here we are with BenQ's treVolo Bluetooth voice enhancing speaker. This speaker does voice enhancing quite well. It definitely does what it's designed to do. I did a video on it, and Steve KM9G also did a video with the 705. What was interesting with the 705 is it has built-in Bluetooth, so you was able to connect this speaker wirelessly with the 705, and Steve made contacts with the built-in microphone that is right here using the Vox setting on the 705. So that was really neat to see him do that. I did not think of that. So check out his video if you want to watch that. Link will be in the description. I am going to continue using the 7300, which is wired with a stereo plug into the back of the speaker. And we're fixing to listen to how this performs with some CW signals. I found some CW on 20 meters, and here we go. This mode here is just what they call the music mode. This is what you expect to hear when you put a sound into the speaker and it puts the sound out of the speaker. Not much filtering or anything going on there. And while we're at it, you can see on the 7300 that I have no filtering. The notch is turned off, so everything's good to go on that. This is all the speaker. Pretty clear tones there. This is what they call movie mode. Not a lot of difference there, but there's also no voice for it to clarify in this mode. What this mode does is kind of an in-between. It would still keep some of the atmospheric background noise in, but it would bring the vocals out more for a more natural enhancing sound, I guess you would say. So when they start back up, we'll let you hear it in this mode a little bit more. And then I'm going to live learning mode, which is the heavy DSP, I guess you could call it, to take out the background noise. So what we hear is that it did take down some of the atmospheric noise, but the overall volume also went down. So if I turn the volume up a little bit, the tones are still very easily heard. And you can tell the DSP is still doing its job that's built into the speaker because you can hear the atmospheric, the background noise coming in and out. We'll go back to regular mode. Now with that tone, I think that middleman mode did enhance it a little bit. And there's the DSP live learning mode. one signal coming back to him there. Now that signal's a little weaker, and I would say that it does help clarify it. Oh yeah, no doubt. It did fade a little bit there. So did the signal strength. So, let me know in the comments what you think. All right, so there's a short little test. I think maybe you got a little something out of that. So, I believe that it does actually enhance a little bit of the tonal recognition of the CW signals, especially that weaker one there at the end, well, until the signal faded a little bit, but it took out some of that atmospheric noise and you could still clearly hear the tone. I think it enhanced it quite a bit, really. So there's you an answer on how does that speaker from BenQ enhance not only vocals, but CW tones as well. So if you want to see my original review on the vocal enhancement, there's a video up here that you can watch, and check the links for Steve's video down in the description. 73.